Hello, my name is Pille. I organize yoga and hiking retreats since 2017 here in Norway and some other places as well. But today I'm going to show you what to pack when you come to Norway for hiking and yoga. If you are like me and you want to pack light, then you have to wear maybe something what is a little bit heavier to pack into a backpack. And I'm going to wear my hiking pants, t-shirt, my light hiking boots, good for every weather. And I'm taking with me my backpack. This one is Jade 38 kilo or liters backpack. And what is important when you buy a backpack, so you have to try it. So it have to sit well on your hips, so you really feel that the weight of your backpack is on your hips. So that backpack is my favorite backpack, even if I don't feel it. If I go to the day hike and I don't feel it for maximum, so it's very comfortable to have some space here. Hiking poles. If I do day hike, I usually don't use hiking poles. But I have seen so many people coming here to Norway and they are not used to walking uphill and downhill and with mountains, and they really struggle with their knees. So if you have any problem with your knees, I really recommend to bring hiking poles with you. It's a very, very big help. Okay, and of course it depends from which country you are coming and where you are coming when. So it depends how much clothes you are wearing when you are coming. But those hiking boots I really love because of all those zippers and pockets. I have 2 side pockets. I have 2 pockets here. Especially nice to have my phone here because it's easy to take photos and you never lose it. So you just close the pocket and it's there. Another good thing with those pants, all those zippers here. So I can zip them and open almost like shorts because when you walk uphill, it's warm. And suddenly sun comes out and then you are sweating like a hell. So you can make them almost like shorts right away with no effort. Warm jacket. Even in summer, it can be cold on the top of the mountain. So if I do a short day hike and it's 25 degrees, of course, I don't take it. But most of the time in Norway, it can be windy, it can be rainy, so it's really nice to have a warm jacket. And they are so light and you can pack them like this. It's so small and light package. And when you are on the top of the mountain and eating your lunch, so you never regret to have a warm jacket with you. Again, all those nice pockets here for your gloves, for your keys. Sunglasses. You need always your sunglasses because you never know. Suddenly sun comes out. Okay, let's see, what do I have in my backpack? Like I said, I like to wear things, heavier things, bigger things when I travel. Very light and warm middle layer, because you have to think about layers all the time when you go hiking. This one again. Light, warm, tight, all the clothes around the body, keeping you warm. And hoodie. You don't need a hat if you don't have it. you have your hoodie and jacket as well. And you can put that one, and one more layer. This is a wind and waterproof jacket. You can put it on the top of everything, or just wear that one if it's windy and not so cold. Why I love those jackets. Here, again, a zipper. So walking up, always warm. So you can zip it out and you don't sweat so much. Okay. Warm hat as well, just in case. You never know. It's windy on the mountains. Here I have some more hiking gear. One a little bit warmer layer, fleece. A little bit warmer than the red one. And then I have one shirt with long sleeves. Again, very, very comfortable. Sometimes you don't want to have like a t-shirt, or you can put it on the top of your yoga shirt or yoga top, and just to have some extra protection, wind and sun. So it's again one of my favorite shirts. If you come to Norway, the weather can change very quickly. I have one pair of rain pants here, and again they are really waterproof, and with all those zippers on the side, it's very easy to put it on and take it off. You don't even have to remove your shoes to put them off. So rain pants in Norway, they make difference. And I also have one pair of hiking pants, what I can make shorts with 2 seconds. 1 second, one leg, and another second, another leg. So very lightweight, very stretchy, and very, very practical. Just in case, I have a skirt as well, so you never know. Maybe you want to go out for the dinner one night, or if it's nice summer evening and you want to go for a walk. So it's not necessary in Norway, but one more hat for sunny days. That one protects your face for sun. And gloves. Those gloves I really love. You see, I've been wearing them well. Because if it's windy and cold again, you can just put your fingers inside of the cover like this. And that's so good. Then I have my toiletries. Bug spray. To be honest, in Norway I never use bug spray because we don't have much mosquitoes. It's only very, very few days during the summer when it's very hot and humid. But usually you don't need it, but just in case, it's good to have. Sunscreen. Of course, you need some sunscreen and some more toiletries here. When you wear your hiking shoes when traveling, then you need one pair of light shoes. They're just sneakers to walk around, to come to the yoga in the morning, or whatever, to go for a little walk in the city. Underwear. I really love those bags because it's so easy to see what is inside here. Here I have some hiking socks. Important to have some hiking socks because you really need to protect your feet. Otherwise, with very low socks, sand and stones can come into your socks and your shoes, and then it's you can get blisters and not nice to walk. So hiking socks, some underwear, some bras, another bag, bras, yoga stuff, flip-floppers. Again, if you come to Norway and you check the weather, and it's not necessary, but if you like to have, so it's nice to have flip-floppers with you. And then I have one a little bit bigger bag here for my yoga clothes and yoga tops. Of course, you can wear your light yoga tops when you go hiking. So again, very lightweight. They dry very fast if you sweat. They don't smell much. The material is very, very good, stretchy. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different yoga tops here. Yoga and hiking, or every day. So I like to wear those. And I have 3 pair of yoga pants here. So it should be enough when you come for the 7 days yoga retreat. Yes. That's it. Everything I had in my backpack, quite many things. If you come to Norway, many people take the headlamp with them. In Norway, you really don't need it, because in summer, when we have yoga and hiking retreats here, it's almost the whole night is very, very light. So forget the headlamp. Adapter. Again, it depends from which country you are coming from. Charger. Nice to have. Yes, that's it. If you have some questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching.